Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. I truly appreciate each and every one of you all, and welcome to our new queens and kings. I see you all. Thank you. So as you all can see in today's video, we're going to be doing some decorating, some styling, a little simple here, DIY in case it may be, where I'm rearranging some things around my home. So if you all would like to decorate with me and style with me and shop as well, please continue to watch. Alright, queens and kings, so pretty much we're going to start off with this pre-recorded video here where this portion was recorded at the same time that I did the first portion. I think that's when I did the dining room refresh. I did do original video on my DIY channel, which I will link that down below as well as the second part where I styled it with my dining room. So you all can basically know how I got the completed look once you do see it. I don't want nobody here who is new. It's like, okay, you didn't finish the look, which I did. I'm sorry. I just didn't finish the second part, which is this bigger part of the canvas on this video here. I didn't think it was necessary because I have two videos out there basically explaining how I did it from the original part and then the one that I did a revamp on it. So if you all would like to see those, I will have both of those videos linked down below, and I will have the one with the dining room makeover refresh in the iCards. And y'all excuse Andre. Y'all know Andre got to be in the picture some kind of way, child. He got this little laser thing and he just was so excited about it. He just all in my darn camera with it. But anyways, please excuse my baby. What was it worth? I can take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute. Okay, so it is days later and I've been doing some remodeling and rearranging things in the house. And as you all can see here, over here, I used to have the 3 mirrors. If you guys seen the kitchen refresh, you'll notice that the mirrors is in the kitchen now. And this is where I have used to have my TV sitting on. So I moved that and I decided to put it over here in this corner here. So therefore, that's why we have it here. And I just left everything in and moved, slide it from one side of the wall to the other side of the wall, just to give a different look, a different vibe. So here I'm just go ahead and clean all the glass and everything, and y'all see me still in my robe because I told you guys y'all gonna see a couple videos with me in this robe. So just know I was working that day to get these videos out for you all. And excuse the lighting, just excuse the lighting. I don't know what causing it, but besides me moving back and forth. So anyways, what I'm using here is a microfiber rag that I got from Amazon, and I'm using Dollar Tree glass cleaner. It works pretty good, and definitely with the Microsoft. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. The rags here, girl, the rags. So that's what I know they call them, rags. They clean it up very well. So this is the completed look of the canvas. I decided to do it the long way within, so therefore I don't do it vertical because the other canvas that's matching it from the opposite side of the wall is hung vertical, and I tried to do this on horizontal, so just to give a different look and vibe. So I'm going in with my flowers here, my vases here. I decided to bring them over here, and I just love the way how this all contrasts together with this gold, white, the creams, and the glam, the sparkles, the little pop of silver here and there. I just love the way that this all come together, and I think you guys are gonna love it too.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing.
So I'm going to go ahead and just style the top of here, and I'm using this little bust that I got from Amazon. This perfume bottle is a bank from Z Gallery, and then I'm going to use, I think, my napkin tissue holder, two tissue holder from Amazon. And anything that is from Amazon, I just try to link it down below, or you can find it in my storefront, one of the two, I'm not sure. But yes, it's just going to be something simple. I didn't want it to be too crowded because I know I made a bold statement with the canvas and as well as the vases of the flowers sitting up there. But I love the way that everything turned out. So far, so good. What do you queens and kings think? Okay, so last thing piece that I'm going to place on top of here is these gorgeous candles over here. There are actually 4 of them actually just glued together. And I purchased these, correction, I was given these from a company by the name of eFavorite when I did a collaboration with those. And those are one of my favorite candle holders. So now I'm going to place down this little fur faux rug that I got from Amazon. It actually was a gift from Amazon because I decided to return it, but they told me I could keep it and gave me my money back. So shout out to Amazon. And then I'm going to use these little ottomans here that I had for years. They used to be a teal. I revamped them and made them a navy blue. I revamped them and made them this charcoal gray here. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this style and decorating with me. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. You queens and kings continue to be warrior. Bye-bye.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body.